Best Buy business credit line with a $10,000 credit limit.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can like, share, comment down below. It helps our channel and we appreciate the support. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a tier 2 business vendor that you could get, not only to get business products and services to help grow your business, but also build business credit. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Best Buy Business Advantage Net 30 line of credit. Now, this is a Net 30 account that you can get under your business entity with absolutely no personal credit check. But in order to get approved, you will have to have a built up credit profile. Now, as I mentioned, this is tier 2. Now, for those who aren't aware of the different tiers in business credit, it all depends on the number of trade lines you have as well as your time in business. So for tier 2 accounts, you're going to need established business credit. This isn't going to work if you have, let's say, less than 7 trade lines reported on your business credit report. Now, that's not to say that you can't get approved with less, but this is definitely not a starter vendor account. You will need to have some type of business credit profile and preferably a low risk profile on all of your business credit report. With the Best Buy Business Advantage Net 30 line of credit, you can purchase all types of electronics through Best Buy for your business. Things like laptops, computers, iPhones, screen TVs, all types of electronic gadgets to help you grow your business, and they give you net 30 terms. So for those who don't know what a net 30 is, a net 30 is just 30-day payment terms, meaning that you can purchase items and you have 30 days to pay the amount off in full. One of the great things about the Best Buy Business Advantage Net 30 account is that you can request your own limit when you do initially apply, and you can request credit limit increases periodically. So let's jump over to the application and I'll walk you through the process. All right, so the Best Buy Business Advantage Net 30 line of credit is a corporate purchasing program for commercial customers that allows you to use a working capital line of credit to pay for electronics, computer tech, and much more. Now, some of the benefits, as I mentioned, it's a net 30, so payments are due 30 days from invoice date. You do have a dedicated line of credit at Best Buy. There's no application fees, no annual fees, and it gives you the option to use it either at their 900 plus retail locations, over the phone with an account professional, or on bestbuy.com. All right, so I just wanted to show you really quickly. I'm logged into my Business Advantage account, and I was actually able to get a $10,000 limit. That's how much I requested. One of the great things is that you can request your limit. Now, if you request an amount $15,000 and under, then it's going to be a little bit easier to get approved. If you request an amount over 15,000, then you may be subject to higher underwriting criteria. And again, you are going to need a built up business credit profile. And they have a lot of other functionality in here. You have card management as well as other reports, and you can assign different groups and users. I'm not going to get into all of that, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Now let's jump over to their application. The first thing you want to do is sign up for a business account. So you just press that button right there, and it asks you if you want to use a personal account and turn that personal account into a business account, or if you want to create a separate business account. I would recommend creating a separate business account if you already have a personal account. It's just much easier to manage. And after that, you just enter in your first name, last name, business address, city, state, phone number, industry, business email, and then create a password, and then you just create your account. All right, so let's walk through the application really quickly. And right now what I'm showing you is actually the PDF application. However, you can apply for this online. I'm unable to replicate this because I already have an account, so I can't show you the actual online application. But anyways, the application is very straightforward. It's just your company name, DBA, your address. Always make sure that that lines up with the Secretary of State. You can also provide your SIC code. And then right here, you're just selecting the type of company, whether you're a sole prop, partnership, LLC, corp, etc. You could provide your DUNS number and your state tax ID, as well as your federal EIN number. And then right here is where you can request the amount. So again, you'll see in the online application, it'll ask you if you want to request the amount 15,000 or over, or less than 15,000. So you can choose. Again, you will be subject to higher underwriting if you want an amount over 15,000. Down here, they just have your payment methods, your banking information, which you will have to provide, because when you pay, you will pay directly from your bank account. And in terms of the qualifications, as I mentioned, you're going to need to be at tier 2. They do ask for a bank reference and a trade reference, although I'm not sure if that's 100% required. And then right down here is important. Now, again, if you have an LLC with a decent business credit profile, you will not have to personally guarantee. However, as it says right here, sole props and partnerships do have to provide a personal guarantee. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. But again, if you have an LLC, which most people do have, then you're not going to have to personally guarantee. All right, so let's recap the Best Buy Business Advantage Net 30 line of credit. Now, this is a line of credit that you can get for your business to purchase products and services through Best Buy. If you're an LLC or a corp or even a nonprofit, you can get this account with absolutely no credit check and no personal guarantee. Now, if you're a sole proprietor or if you're in a partnership, then you will be required to provide a personal guarantee. And again, this is a tier 2 account, meaning that you're going to need some vendors already established. Now, if you don't have established business credit accounts, then we did a video where we went through tier 1. You can go through that list, build up your tier 1 accounts, and then be able to move on to tier 2 accounts. But remember, this is a tier 2 account, so you will need established business credit. If anyone's interested in applying, there's a link in the description. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.